Hi and welcome. In this video we're going to learn about the amazing improvement to the object selection tool in the October 22 version of Photoshop. It's now got even better at detecting and making selections like the sky, water, natural ground, plants and architecture. And it's got a brilliant new feature called Delete and Fill, which you are going to love, because I do. Okay, shall we get started? Let's do it. Okay, let's try and remove this model from this image and replace her with some background pixels. Okay, first what we're going to do is select the object selection tool. So we click on that object selection tool. In the tool options bar, make sure that add to selection is selected, and make sure that object finder is checked, because what this will do is it will now find all the different parts of the image that we might want to select, and it gives them a colour overlay. So if I just hover, that's pick the sky out, that's pick the ground out, well, most of it, and here we've picked the model. Now okay, we've got some stray hairs which are we've got to make a decision on really how important they are. Now what I'm going to do is just click once, and that's going to make me a selection of that overlay. Now it's picked some of the hair out, but not all of it. So if I click again, it'll pick a little bit more out, and I think that's probably enough. If I can get those bits of hair, I think I'll be happy. Okay, so I've now got my selection, and all I've got to do now, if I'm on Windows machine, is Shift and Backspace. Or if I'm on a Mac, Shift and Delete. So Shift and Backspace, and you'll see now it'll take a few seconds because it is quite processor intensive. I'll just bring it over to show you. This is the fill. So it's now filling, but with the AI function. Boom! Look at that. That is pretty good. Right, now don't ever expect these tools to be absolutely perfect every time. They're not. They're there to take a load off you, basically, and to be able to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. But on this one, we've got a couple of bits there and a couple of bits down here. So to try and stop these flashing purple bits, what I'm going to do is basically turn off the object finder. So now those won't happen. And now I'm just going to go down to another tool, which I would select as the patch tool, and I'll just go around all the pieces here that we think we want removing, and then I'll drag that horizontal, but I can start to line up those lighter orangey tones, and something like that I think will be pretty good. And then I can let go, and then Control and D. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Got a couple of bits down here, don't know what they were, but let's go around them as well and just take it across. Control and D, and I think that's pretty cool. So that's it for the new Delete and Fill feature in the October 22 release of Photoshop. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the link at the bottom of any page on my website so you don't miss when I post the next video. Okay, I'll see you in that very next video. Bye for now.